Odyssey project is an Erasmus Plus project co-financed by the European Commission to establish a postgraduate program in 8 universities in Southeast Asia.
The target of this type of program are healthcare professionals who are working already in organ donation or who are willing to join this field.
First, we train the future trainers of the postgraduate program.
And we help them to acquire all the medical competencies, but also the educational competencies required to deliver an effective training in their universities.
They will become the faculty that will be teaching a total of 280 participants.
Doctors and nurses from intensive care units, from emergency departments, from stroke departments, including psychologists and social workers.
It's coordinated by the University of Barcelona,
the only university in Europe and probably worldwide running a master program on organ donation.
Other partners from the European Union.
I'm proud to participate on behalf of the University of Bologna in Italy in the Odyssey project.
I was invited by the DTI as an international expert to participate in the Train the Trainers program.
Why they are leading? Because of them, because doctors from the ICU are involved in organ donation. And we share that. The knowledge exists worldwide.
Malaysia, Philippines, Thailand, and Myanmar.
These are huge countries with a lot of population and very low donation rates for many reasons. Maybe cultural, maybe religious, maybe logistic, maybe medical.
We only have experience with living organ donations.
Actually, there is no experience about disease donor transplantation.
Just for kidneys, we have 21,000 patients on the waiting list. Our number of donors per year is less than 10. Young patients on dialysis, they're very productive, and yet because of the lack of donors, we can't get them transplanted.
But if we can help them resolve any of these problems, I think we will be doing a good job.
The course content is amazing. They've made things easy, they've made us understand, and when you understand, it's so much easier to teach.
Because understanding organ donation is the key for organ transplantation.
Why we are here? There are people who need organs for transplant. There are people waiting for a second opportunity in their life. And we know all together that we can give them this opportunity.
They will have to guide the participants throughout the postgraduate program,
in the local seminars, in the international assessment seminars, and on the job projects.
in their hospitals and in their daily practices.
Some awareness events with other healthcare professionals who are going to hopefully become advocates and talk about it further on.
The only way to transform their countries is their own work, their own ideas, to adapt what they have learned in other countries to their own environment, their own culture, and their own citizens.
You need committed persons, you need dedicated people, you need passionate people who go back and despite the obstacles of their systems are willing to go forward and to make a change.
In order to succeed, we just cannot give up, we just have to be committed and move on and keep on going.
Train more people to be more empowered.
That everybody will be aware that there's such thing as organ donation and you will have the opportunity to help.
One potential donor is able to change so many lives.
Organ donation is the best for the patient. It's the best for the society.
And you're giving something to another human being which is so sacred and so perfect that modern medicine is not able to replicate it or clone it.
Maybe you could be in the other side. You could be a donor, you could be a recipient, or you could be a relative of someone. Your family and your next of kin will understand that your final wish is to donate your organ to help others.
Yes, I would become a donor.
Religion, culture, race, nothing should stop us from helping another human being.
It's a very noble cause. I have pledged my organs.
Who save a life, save the entire world.
I'm an organ donor 100%.
Satu ikrar sejuta harapan. It means one pledge and a million hope.